Compiled and presented by Flixada. In this video, we are going to talk about Bharti Airtel. Airtel is a global telecommunications company with operations in 18 countries across South Asia and Africa. Airtel's portfolio includes high-speed 4G and 4.5G mobile broadband, Airtel Xstream Fiber that promises speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, converged digital TV solutions through the Airtel Xstream 4K hybrid box, digital payments through Airtel Payments Bank, as well as an integrated suite of services across connectivity, collaboration, cloud and security that serves over 1 million businesses. Bharti Airtel has a market capitalization of 3.288 trillion at the time of making this video. Its stock price made an all-time high of Rs 602 on the 15th of January 2021. In past 5 years, the stock price made a low of Rs 262 on the 11th of October 2018. This stock gave compounded annual growth of 28% over past 1 year, 9% over past 3 years, and 16% over past 5 years. In past 12 months, Bharti Airtel had a revenue of Rs 953.9 billion and a gross profit of Rs 541.1 billion. As compared to previous fiscal year, in the past 12 months, it has seen a revenue growth of 9.0%. On the 31st of March 2020, Bharti Airtel reported a total revenue of Rs 875.4 billion and has seen a revenue growth of 8.4% from the previous year. The company reported an EBITDA of Rs -72.1 billion. Now let us look at some key financial ratios to gauge how good or bad this stock is. Its beta value, which is a measure of volatility of stock, is 0.63. This means the stock moves with less volatility than the market. High beta stocks are supposed to be riskier but provide higher return potential. Low beta stocks pose less risk but also lower returns. The price to earnings ratio information is not available for this stock. The price to earnings ratio indicates whether the stock is undervalued or overvalued. Based on the last 12 months, the earnings per share value is -42.86. Now, we will compare some key financial ratios with the top 1000 NSE stocks. For this purpose, we divide the distribution of these key indicators into 4 parts of quartiles. Quartile region is obtained by dividing all the stocks in 4 buckets, so that each bucket contains same number of stocks. As compared to top 1000 stocks in NSE, Bharti Airtel has its beta value in the first quartile. This means the stock exhibits very low volatility. Bharti Airtel has earnings per share of -42.86, which is higher than 2% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The earnings per share value is bad. Earnings per share is a company's net profit divided by the number of outstanding shares. This is a widely used metric to estimate corporate value. The diluted EPS, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. The price to earnings ratio information is not available for this stock. Price to earnings ratio measures its current share price relative to its per share earnings. The trailing 12-month price to earnings ratio, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has price to book value ratio of 5.31, which is higher than 76% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The price to book value ratio is in the 4th quartile. This means the stock may be hyped. The price to book ratio compares a company's market value to its book value. Book value is net assets of the company. This ratio should be looked at in conjunction with return on equity ratio. A low return on equity combined with high price to book ratio means stock is overvalued. The price to book value ratio from the most recent quarter, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has return on equity value of -24.13%, which is higher than 4% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The return on equity for this stock is in the first quartile, which is bad. The return on equity is calculated by taking company's net earnings after taxes, subtracting preferred dividends, and dividing by the total equity. The return on equity in the trailing 12 months, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has debt-to-equity ratio of 189.41, which is higher than 78% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The debt-to-equity ratio for this stock is in the fourth quartile, which is bad. A debt-to-equity ratio is company's total liabilities divided by shareholders' equity, and lower value of this ratio is preferred. This ratio is a measure of the degree to which a company is financing its operations through debt versus wholly owned funds. A higher value of this ratio tends to indicate higher risk to the investors. The debt-to-equity ratio from the most recent quarter, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has operating cash flow of 246.5 billion in the past 12 months, which is higher than 92% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The operating cash flow for this stock is in the fourth quartile, which is very good. The operating cash flow in past 12 months, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has levered free cash flow of -132.0 billion in the past 12 months, which is higher than 0% of top 1000 NSE stocks. The levered free cash flow for this stock is in the first quartile, which is bad. The levered free cash flow in past 12 months, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. Bharti Airtel has no dividend payout recently. The dividend payout ratio provides an indication of how much money a company is returning to shareholders versus how much it is keeping on hand to reinvest in growth, pay off debt, or add to cash reserves. The dividend payout ratio, compared to similar companies from the same sector, is now shown on the screen. The company reported an EBITDA of rupees -72.1 billion in year 2020, which is 125% less than the EBITDA from the previous year. The company showcased earnings per share of -63.4 in year 2020, which is 6,846% less than the APS from the previous year. Bharti Airtel has shown year-on-year increase in stockholders' equity by 8.0% in year 2020. This stock showed year-on-year increase in stockholders' equity by 2.7% in year 2019. This stock showed year-on-year increase in stockholders' equity by 3.1% in year 2018. Bharti Airtel has free cash flow of rupees 24.3 billion in the past 12 months. The free cash flow for the year 2020 was rupees -25.9 billion. Here you can see statistics related to number of shares. 56.35% of shares are held by insiders. 28.60% of shares are held by institutions. Bharti Airtel is at position 9th in terms of market capitalization among the Nifty 50 stocks. Bharti Airtel is at position 12th in terms of annual revenue among the Nifty 50 stocks. Bharti Airtel is at position 37th in terms of free cash flow among the Nifty 50 stocks. Here, we presented a very simplified assessment of fundamental indicators. We categorized the performance on each indicator by comparing it with top 1000 NSE stocks. On your side, go thoroughly through the financial data before deciding on investing in this stock. Thanks for watching. Hope you hit the like button on this video and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe this channel.